Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to find saved posts on Facebook. If you saved a post, video, photo, or other content on Facebook and you want to find it again later, you can easily access your saved items from your Facebook account. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. From the Facebook home screen, tap the menu icon. Depending on your phone and Facebook app version, you may see your profile picture or 3 horizontal lines. After opening the menu, look for an option called Saved. Tap on Saved. You will now see the content that you have saved on Facebook. This can include posts, videos, photos, reels, links, and other types of content. If you have saved many items, you can use the categories at the top to find what you are looking for. For example, you may see sections for videos, reels, posts, or links. Tap on the category you want to browse. You can then scroll through your saved items until you find the post you want. If you want to open a saved post, simply tap on it. Facebook will take you to the original post so you can view it again. If you no longer want a post in your saved list, you can remove it. Open the saved post and tap the 3-dot menu. Look for the option called Remove from Saved. Tap it, and the post will be removed from your saved items. Keep in mind that removing a post from your saved list does not delete the original Facebook post. It only removes the saved copy or bookmark from your account. You can also save a new post at any time. When you see a post that you want to keep for later, tap the 3-dot menu on the post and choose Save Post. The post will then be added to your saved section. The exact names and locations of some options may be slightly different depending on your Facebook app version. If you cannot find Saved, open the Facebook menu and look through the shortcuts or use the available search option. And that's it. You now know how to find and manage your saved posts on Facebook. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.